sinasabi ng mga pro-RH people, our economy is a backward economy. We are a poor economy. They're trying to diminish the economic status of the Philippines in order to justify their pro-RH advocacy. But if you look at our situation now, kanina lang sinabi ko, ngayon tayo isa sa mga top BPO countries in the world. We are now #1 pagdating sa call center. We are earning about $21 billion a year because of our OFWs. And pag sinabing backward ang Pilipinas, ito ang isang pruweba na hindi tayo backward. This is a giant mammoth ship, 180,000 deadweight. Gaano kalaki ang isang 180,000 deadweight ton bulk cargo vessel? Itong building na ito pwede ipasok sa loob ng vapor na yan. And this is proudly made in the Philippines, and this is not the first one. This is as of November 10, 2010, already the 118 delivered vessel of this size. So sino man ang magsabi, hindi na ito yung mga handicraft natin. Hindi ito cottage industry. We are now #4 shipbuilder in the world. Tapos sasabihin nila, backward pa rin tayo. We are already building ships that are being bought by shipping billionaires all over the world, from the United States, from Greece, from Hong Kong, from Singapore, from Japan. Kaya hindi po tama na backward ang Pilipinas. So on that note, I would like to end my presentation. I do hope that I have shared some information that we can find very useful in the raging and very intense debate that we have to go through in tackling the very divisive reproductive health bill that is being espoused by some sectors of our society. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much po, Honorable Congressman Roy Regoyles. Parang gusto ko na po lumipat ng Paranaque.